Today, we're diving into the world of core strengthening with a comparison review of the dual wheel ab roller. Priced at just $31, this ab roller promises to take your workouts to the next level. Let's start with an overview of the dual wheel ab roller. It's designed to offer extra support and stability compared to single ab wheels. Plus, with its dual wheel design and knee pad, it provides a comfortable workout experience. Say goodbye to the hassle of using resistance bands. The dual wheel ab roller boasts several features that make it stand out, more accessible and hassle-free, equipped with a knee pad. This ab roller offers extra support and stability, allowing you to embrace more thrilling and challenging routines without the hassle of using resistance bands. Grow six packs faster and safer, targeting your abdominals, hip flexors, and back muscles. This ab will speeds up core and low back strengthening while reducing the risk of muscle injury. Efficient exercise equipment, portable and compact. This ab roller is perfect for home, office, gym, or outdoor workouts, unlike bulky gym machines. Amazingly durable and stable. With a high-strength stainless steel shaft and ultra-wide abs roller, it can hold up to 500 pounds safely, providing balance and stability during workouts. Top gift choice, ideal for fitness enthusiasts. This versatile roller wheel makes for a perfect gift. Backed by satisfaction guaranteed after-sales services. Here are the key specifications of the dual wheel ab roller. Material: plastic size, 26,011,030 weight, 1600 G model number, ab roller fitness wheel. Type: double-wheeled. Function: comprehensive fitness exercise. Application: ab roller coaster origin, mainland China type of sports, cardio training.